American Morning, the most news in the morning, period. Weekdays 6 Eastern.
A team of scientists say they have created human sperm in the laboratory. Well, we're paging Dr. Sanjay Gupta for this one, CNN's chief medical correspondent. Sanjay is in Atlanta for us. Hey, Sanjay, good morning. This is fascinating stuff. So what does it all mean?
Well, it really is fascinating. I've been reading and rereading this particular study. It is sort of one of those pivotal moments, I think, in this whole embryonic stem cell history. I'm going to show you an animation here in a second to show you how it all works. But basically speaking, in proof of principle, we've always thought these embryonic stem cells could be converted into just about any other cell, which makes them so attractive for possibly treating diseases, studying diseases certainly. The question was for a long time, could it be turned into sperm or eggs, for example? And the answer seems to be yes, with regard to sperm specifically. Take a look at the animation, Alina, and get an idea. What they did was they took these embryonic stem cells, they added a little vitamin A derivative, and then they used this green stain. I can't tell you exactly how they did it, so otherwise you start doing it in your garage. But then they started separating it out with lasers, trying to figure out exactly what these cells are. And the cells underwent this very specific process of division. The process is called meiosis. You don't need to remember that. But ultimately, over time, as they watched these cells over a few months, they were able to coax some of these cells, as you can see there, into sperm cells. They took these embryonic stem cells, and through some various interactions were able to create these sperm cells, as you saw. Important, the researchers say, Alina, because they want to study infertility. If you look at infertility across the globe, about a third of cases of infertility are actually caused by men, and they also could create these sperm cells within 3 months, whereas it takes typically 15 years for sperm to mature. So you get an idea of how important this is.
Sanjay, you know, the guys in the crew here were joking around that, well, you know, at least we need men still for chopping wood and stuff like that. But, you know, all jokes aside, you know, this does raise some concerns and some questions about making humans in a petri dish. So, I mean, is that even possible at this point? I mean, we're not there yet.
No, we're not. And even the researchers would say this, look, these are in vitro derived sperm cells. Could one day these possibly be used for insemination? The answer seems to be, well, possibly. Years and years down the line, they might be able to for example, someone who's been infertile because of chemotherapy or something like that, be able to create this opportunity to create sperm. But right now, British law, where these studies are being done, prohibits this sort of thing, and this is being done really solely for the process of studying infertility. If you study how sperm develops, you might get a lot more answers as to why infertility occurs.
It's a fascinating development.
Really
Dr. Sanjay Gupta.
I thought you might have some fun with that, Alina, for sure. Well, men are still necessary as far as we can.
Yes, for more than just chopping wood.
That's right.
Sanjay Gupta, thank you.